90% is an unheard of number in the legal world. What this article is talking about is that the homeowners are literally giving up on the claims, and this is first-party claims regarding their homes, i.e. hurricane, flood, whatever it may be, and they're giving up because the deck is so stacked against them. I say the deck is that because when the state of Florida put in the Division of Administrative Hearings as applied to Citizens property insurance, what the numbers have come out over a year now says that Citizens is winning 90% of the cases at the trials. 90% is an unheard of number in the legal world. Nobody goes 90%. That's 9 for 10. Whereas a more common practice, if you went to a jury trial, it probably talks about 50 to 55% chance for the policyholder is going to win. A jury could hold them accountable. When I say it's stacked against them is because this new program run by the DOAH limits the amount of evidence you can have. It limits your right to appeal. There is none. And it selects an arbitrator that you have to go before, which is paid by insurance property. I'm not saying it's coercion, but it certainly is a lot of duress on the policy homeowner. And what these statistics are showing, it's a beautiful business plan for Citizens property insurance. That's the ability to raise rates by lowering and reducing the legal exposure, meaning nobody to hold them accountable. That's a beautiful plan. You raise rates, you have no alternative to the insurance because the state of Florida has an insurance crisis. And what did you do to the policyholder? If you disagree with somebody adjusting your claim, you've now, through this plan, have stripped them of their right to go to court. There's one judge that literally just issued an injunction and appeal and says, no, we think that there's a constitutional challenge here, that they don't even have the policyholder to go to before a jury. It's tough, and I get it. The article says, hey, right now we only have 1% that are going through this program, but even 1% of the claims, when somebody's winning 90% of the time and you have an exclusion of discovery, a lack of evidence, and no appellate right, it's pretty tough to think that this is a good situation or sustainable for the policyholders of the state of Florida.